Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Cathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Wednesday, and we're going to follow Cathy around to see what sold for us today.
Hey, guys. All right, starting over here, box G. So these Chacos, they're like a Choco Mule. I priced these a little lower than normally I would for Chacos because the suede has like some stains on it. But I only have $8.38 average cost of goods into these. And I sold them for $34.50 free shipping. Shipping's gonna be a padded flat rate, so $7.76. So it's still like a $15 profit or so. All right, box A.
Looks like we offended Reese. He just left.
See you, Reese. All right, this is just one of my personal shirts, and it's just Old Navy. So I think it was only listed for like $10, and then I sent 20% off, so $8 with discount shipping, which means I make like $3.50 or something back, but I don't even know where I got that, and I wore it many times, so I'm happy with that. All right. Sold this Scorpio mug. This was also my personal mug because I'm a Scorpio. I'm not really into that kind of stuff that much, but I don't know, I liked the mug. I used it. I think it's just from Target, so it probably only cost like $5.99 to begin with, and I sold it on eBay for $9.05 plus shipping, so probably just breaking even there. All right, box E. All right, sold these Cole Haan men's like leather fisherman sandals. I think I just relisted those as a sell similar, and I changed it to free shipping. It was like $50 plus shipping last month. Changed it to $59.95 free ship, and we had a sale running, so buyer paid $54.55 free ship. They do live in New York though, and those sandals are over 2 pounds. So they did cost $13.68 to ship to New York, but even still, it was like a $25 profit, and because I only had $8.62 into the sandals, so. Yeah, Cole Haan men's shoes do really well for me, and I always say fisherman sandals for men do really well. All right, these couple things I just listed last night, so they hadn't even got bagged yet. First up was this. I never heard of this brand. I just bought this for myself, and I never used it, so turtle fur. But it's like a merino wool beanie. And I listed it on Facebook Marketplace for $15 plus shipping, and someone bought it right away. I think I paid $5.99 for this at a thrift store, so still made a little profit off of that. And then these Roundtree in York. I mean, this is like cheap stuff that I normally wouldn't pick up unless it's like a couple bucks or less. These I got a couple weekends ago at a fill-a-bag garage sale. It was $2 to like fill a Walmart bag, and I got like, I don't know how many pieces, but it came out to 29 cents each, so whatever that is.
Yeah.
It was quite a bit, and they were all like men's really big sizes and mostly new at tag, so I listed them low because I got them so cheap and I wanted a quick sale, so $12 plus shipping on Facebook, so about a $10 profit. They sold right after I listed them, which tells me I could have gotten a little more, but
yeah.
Again, happy with the fast sale. That's like the stuff I don't really want to store. Like some shoes and stuff I'm willing to store longer for a better price,
right.
But I don't want to store.
Well, when your cost of goods is so low,
yeah.
Just take the money.
All right, sold this little babar. It's like a vintage 1999. I thought it was a backpack at first, but I think it's just like a purse or just like a little bag. So it only has a strap to hold like this. But yeah, super cute. I paid $1.99 for it. When I looked it up on eBay, it was selling for like $30 to $40-ish. That was including shipping. So on Posh, it's been listed a while. Someone offered me $26, so I accepted that. And they also paid shipping and everything. So they did pay probably close to $35 for that. Shoe shelf, sold some Vans. These guys, I've had them for a while, but we just got around to cleaning them up a little, and even still they're a little dirty, but they still sold on Mercari for $27 plus shipping. I have $6 into them. Alright, and last but not least, this just sold, but it also sold full price on Poshmark. which means I can't ship it till tomorrow because you gotta wait 3 hours, and our post office closes in like less than an hour. So it's just like a Under Armour Spider-Man compression shirt. I picked this up for $3.99, and the buyer bought it for $29 full price. So pretty good.
Alrighty. So we're gonna go ahead and get the stuff packed up, and we'll be right back. Why are you laying there, Reese? Oh, you don't have to get up. You can stay there. All right, guys, we got that stuff all packed up, ready to go. And I think we're going to do some shipping tonight because Cathy's got jury duty tomorrow. And so we're trying to figure that out. So we're just gonna go ahead and add in what we're packing up tonight right here. All right, guys, we're back. It is now at like 10:30 or so at night, and we had some more sales that we're gonna pull and get packed up so we could take them off tomorrow morning, because I think Cathy just called and figured it out, and she does have to show up at the courthouse tomorrow at like 7:30. So I think we live like almost an hour away, yeah. 30, 45 minutes, something like that, from the courthouse, which...
Figuring out parking and stuff.
Yeah, parking and stuff. So anyway, we're gonna follow her around and see what's sold for us for the rest of this video.
And I'm not a morning person like at all, so this is going to be a long day for me. But yeah, so we're just gonna get all these packed up. Chris will drop them off at the post office sometime tomorrow for me. Then we won't get to ship again until probably... I thought I was falling on
it's
me.
Making some noise in them.
Tomorrow, Thursday, so Friday.
Yeah.
All right, so these are those Skechers sandals. I found these at a garage sale last weekend or maybe the weekend before for $2 and sold them for $27.25 plus shipping on eBay. I had them cross-posted obviously as well, and someone on Facebook, I didn't even answer or open the message, but she's like, take 15. So those kinds of messages are so annoying to me. Like, you can't even write a whole sentence. And usually when they say those kinds of things, they mean including shipping and
right. 15 free ship, and then if they get charged tax, it's your fault, right?
So this is a Magnolite pot. This one's been sitting there for quite a while.
Yeah.
But yeah, finally sold. I have $5.99 into it. Sold on Facebook. So Facebook came back to life this evening. I don't know what it was. I mean, I did list today, but I've been listing to it pretty much every day.
Yeah.
So yeah, 30 plus shipping on that. Not too bad. The shipping, because of the weight of this, was $12. So this person's with tax and everything in about $45 on that one pot. Pot, right? Not pan.
Little saucepan, maybe? I don't know. I think that's a pan. A little saucepan.
Alright, so another Facebook Marketplace sale. These Keen sandals. Didn't I mention the other day someone like corrected me on one of my listings? So this one was the same thing, happened just a few days ago, but I didn't correct it on this Facebook listing. I don't think it actually matters. I just called them the wrong type of Keen. I mean, I think I called them the H2 or something, but somebody told me they're called like, I don't know, the Ravina or something. It's like a newer style that has the ankle strap, because the older ones, you have to like pull them on. This one, you can open the back and just slip your foot in. So anyways, I never got around to changing it to the correct name on Facebook, but they still sold for 40 plus shipping. The pictures were all there. I can't imagine that the person's going to be upset for a better shoe. I
do feel like on eBay that probably would
if they didn't like them.
If they were trying to be a pain of a customer and they wanted a return, they could say that and force a return on that.
And if that happens, I guess.
Yeah.
I'll just take the return and sell them again. But those sold for 40. I had $8.31 average cost of goods into the Keen, so pretty good sale. And then this was another good sale. This is a Harley shirt. This one did not come from the big haul that we had the one day. This one I found later on for $5.99. Sold it for $30 plus shipping on Facebook.
Nice.
That one just got listed today and sold pretty much right away. All right, Reese. Excuse me. Excuse me.
You're in the way, Bubba.
Excuse
Come
me.
here. Oh my gosh. The tummy tax. Come on, Reese.
Right, dude.
Good boy. Come on. Good boy.
This is that Leon from the Puzzle Place vintage doll. This was from the bins at part of the stimulus check challenge. So I feel like we've had that listed for a few months. I had it listed high on Poshmark at like 40 bucks. Someone offered me 15. I just took it because I only have about $1 into it and
Yeah.
just ready to see him go. But she said it was for her daughter and her daughter really wanted it. So I'm very happy that somebody that actually wants it is going to get it and for a pretty good price.
And our cost of goods was low on it because it was a stimulus or the Ben's haul. And, yep.
That is something else I just listed today. It was that Columbia PFG but Astros button down shirt. I have $3.99 into it, sold it for $24 plus shipping. All right, CC. These are some men's Columbia pants. I have $5.99 into these, sold them for $20 plus ship on eBay.
You out of here, Reese?
See ya.
You going downstairs to go to bed? He's already eaten for the evening, so he probably needs to go outside. And he's ready for bed.
The best sale of the evening was these Allen Edmonds nice shoes. So Chris hangs out with his friends on Wednesdays. I usually take the kids to do something. We were at like a play place thing where I just kind of hang out on the side and they play. Anyways, I had my laptop. I was doing some sell similars. These ones I just ended relisted and they sold a few minutes later for $89.95 free shipping. Last month I had them $89.99 plus shipping, so just taking off the shipping made them so I guess. So either way, I paid $12.99 for the shoes, sold them for $90. They were going to what's MA, Massachusetts?
I think so.
Yeah, it was pretty far. So it did cost $13.68 to ship out because they're like a 3-pound shoe almost. So yeah, I was still over a $50 profit, so really good.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And that's everything that sold the rest of the day today. So we'll go ahead and get the stuff packed up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, got everything all packed up, ready to go, and we're gonna call it a day. It's coming on. Yeah, it's almost
really fast then, huh?
Yeah.
We really started recording at 10:30.
Yeah.
I never pay that good of attention to how long stuff takes, but because normally we're like just chit chatting and packing, but that was pretty fast.
Yep. I think we pulled everything and got everything packed up in like 20 minutes or so. So, anyway, Cathy's got an early morning. I'm going to try to sleep in a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, Cathy's got to be at the courthouse at 7:30. So we're going to go ahead and call this a video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.